Welcome back to our special two-part series on the top 10 strongest god in Hindu mythology. In the last episode, we revealed some incredible deities and their legendary powers. Let's uncover number 5, the monkey god and devotee of Rama. Lord Hanuman's incredible strength, loyalty, and devotion make him a respected figure. He is considered as the greatest devotee of Lord Rama and has a large number of stories and myths related to his life. His most famous exploits include flying across the ocean to find Sita, lifting an entire mountain to deliver life-saving herbs to Lakshman, and burning the city of Lanka with his fiery tail. These feats showcase not just his physical strength but also his unwavering dedication. Hanuman Jayanti is a festival celebrating his birth as a testament to his enduring legacy. Coming in at number 4, we have Krishna. He is the 8th avatar of Dashavatar of Lord Vishnu, and he was born in the Dwapara Yuga. Krishna's journey began in the lands of Gopal, where he was born to rid the world of evil. His miraculous acts like lifting the Govardhan hill to protect villagers from the wrath of Indra. Krishna's wisdom is immortalized in the Bhagavad Gita, a 700-verse Hindu scripture. His teachings on duty, rightness, and devotion continue to resonate with people today. Festivals like Krishna Janmashtami celebrate his birth and life. His pair with Radha is considered as a divine couple which brings love at new heights. In the Bhagavad Gita, he said, whenever there is a decline in rightness and an increase in unrightness, I incarnate myself to protect the good, to destroy the wicked, and to re-establish Dharma. Ram is the 7th avatar of Vishnu, born in Treta Yuga. He was born in the royal family of Ayodhya to King Dashrath and Queen Kaushalya. He married Mata Sita, who herself was an incarnation of goddess Lakshmi. Despite being the rightful heir to the throne, Rama accepted a 14-year exile to honor his father's promise. One of the most celebrated tales of Lord Rama is his battle with the demon king Ravana, who had abducted Sita. He fought the epic battle with the great demon king Ravana at Lanka to free her. Rama's story, as narrated in the epic Ramayana, has inspired countless generations. His temples and rituals, particularly during festivals like Diwali, Ram Navami, and Dashara, reflect the deep devotion. His reign, known as Ram Rajya, is considered the golden age of peace and prosperity. Ram is often celebrated as Maryada Purushottam, the perfect man. At number 2, we have Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. He is a peace-loving deity with great principles of truth, rightness, and order. His 10 incarnations, known as Dasavatar, are considered as the greatest example of the moral values. He is typically depicted with blue skin. His forearms hold a conch, sankha, a discus, chakra, a mace, gada, and a lotus, Padma, each representing different aspects of his power. His wife is goddess Lakshmi and he resides on Sheshnag. Whenever evil forces threaten to disrupt the cosmic order, Vishnu incarnates on earth in various forms known as avatars. The most famous of these avatars include Rama, Krishna, and Narasimha. From the north to South India, numerous temples reflect his glory. The Tirupati Balaji temple, Badrinath temple, located in the Himalayas, is the part of the Char Dham. And now, the moment you have all waiting for. Can you guess who is the most powerful god in Hinduism? The ultimate force of destruction and transformation. Shiva. He is the supreme deity of Hinduism, as he holds the ability to destroy and recreate the universe. His cosmic dance, the Tandav, symbolizes the cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction. Shiva's power is his mastery over life and death, making him the most powerful god in Hinduism. His very famous temple, situated in Somnath, he is also known as Neelkantha, Natraja, Bholenath, Mahadeva, and Pashupati. One of the most famous symbols of Shiva is the Shiva Lingam, a representation of his formless, infinite nature. Devotees offer water, milk, and flowers to the Shiva Lingam during worship, seeking his blessing for the peace and prosperity He resides at Mount Kailash with Parvati and two sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya. Major Shiva temples such as Kashi Vishwanath Temple and Kedarnath Temple attract millions of pilgrims annually, highlighting the widespread reverence for Shiva. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 strongest god in Hindu mythology. Did your favorite god make it to the top 5? Let us know in the comments. If you missed the first part, be sure to check it out to see who made it from number 10 to number 6. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next series where we explore more amazing myths and legends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.